Once upon a time, when the whole planet was in the Ice Age, exactly 1,000 years ago, men in strange boats, Vikings, arrived to Vermoim Castle in Portugal. The population was stunned with this group of barbarian Vikings when they conquered this fortress in the north of the country. This amazing fact of our culture left scratches on the Portuguese population that arrived nowadays. A lady from a bastard family kept a secret in a small sewing box that crossed centuries of history. In a day of this century, sighted by the fireplace, she opened the box and shared the secret that she kept with her granddaughter. This secret made her granddaughter to dress as the most distinguished lady in the neighborhood. The granddaughter kept the box safe and grew up. She traveled the world, presenting her unique, angelic, and fragile beauty, and charmed men of all cultures. When she came back near the castle, she stopped and opened the small sewing box. Inside there was the secret formula to hand-make the most distinguished dresses that, over several years, the grandmother sewed and dressed up the granddaughter. We don't know precisely the message that crossed 1,000 years of history until nowadays. What we know is that in the subtlety of a box, we can discover the secret that makes that Orgenson knows that quality is in small details.